guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Elementor editor not loading. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Elementor here, there are a few things that you could try here, or in this case, you need to update. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to guarantee that you have the latest version of the Elementor plugin. Now at the left side, you want to go to plugins, and under plugins, you want to click on install plugins. Now from here, you want to go to the very top here, which is bulk actions. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go ahead and click on update. Now go ahead and select every plugin you have here, or you could just select Elementor if you want. But in this case, just click on apply here to update your plugins. Now, once your plugins are updated or has been updated, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and basically visit our Elementor. Now, by the way, you could go ahead and see if that solves your issue, but just in case if that doesn't work, there's still another thing that you can do here. Now, first you want to go to Elementor, you want to go to settings, and other settings you want to go to advanced. Now, under advanced, what we need to do is we need to go to the option that says switch editor loader method. In this case, you want to make sure that you enable this one, and you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit, click on save changes, and from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.